I'm not seeing any ads.
This is so random. You guys can't make me go to school. No!
No! What are we doing wrong?
Hi, welcome back to Clevver Style, you guys. Today's a great day because it is my redemption episode and it is your first episode of a social media ad haul.
Tis.
Per your guys' request, today we're going to be buying everything that Facebook advertises to us in 10 minutes. And before we get started, we do have, other videos of this very same thing. We have done Instagram. I've done it with Aaron, and Naz and Aaron did it too. So go check those out because they're pretty good. If you guys watched my last Instagram ad haul, I had gotten this neon sign. This is the neon Hypebeast Nike light.
This thing looked so cool on the Instagram ad, and in person, it looks equally as cool, but you're not telling them the one thing.
And I said it was the most exciting day of my life, but it arrived broken. But actually, the neon company reached out to me.
Oh, good.
And they are sending a replacement, and they're actually like the best customer service ever. So if you guys do shop with them, know that you're making good purchases.
Look at that. Cosign right here.
I am back for a redemption episode, and you are here to
pop my ad cherry.
Yes, you got it. So we're given 10 minutes to go through our Facebook feeds and basically
10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Okay.
And we get to, save every ad we come across with hopes that they will buy us stuff from them,
I hope I didn't say anything weird this morning around it, and then it's gonna F up my Google's research,
There's just tons of porn.
Okay, enough funny business, Sinead. We need to get into this because I'm excited and I've been saying expensive things
I'm
all morning.
Chanel, Dior, Ferrari.
TV, right? Lamborghini. I swear, it's gonna pick up the one thing I said. It's gonna be she needs a toothbrush from Target.
No,
really?
you shouldn't have said that.
Let's get started.
Ready?
Okay.
Yes.
Start. Go.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
I know, me
Megan
too.
and her boyfriend.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Hi.
Okay, I got one.
Fashionova!
My first one's for
Wait.
Hum Nutrition.
Lucky? Wait, pause. I gotta make sure I do this correctly.
No, yeah, you're right.
So if I
if you
screenshot
screenshot that, you don't have to get those things.
I could get the other things they're showing me?
Udemy online courses. You guys can't make me go to school.
Z-Quill. Z-Quill. Z-Quill? When have I ever even mentioned it? Wayfair. Okay.
Ooh, that's good.
Okay. Wayfair. What is this? What
I'm
is
still
that?
recording, though.
What is this?
Academy LA. Ulta Beauty.
Are you kidding? I just got Disney Plus. I already have Disney Plus.
It's coming up with things that I have searched for on Instagram more than I search for on Google,
Nicoderm. I don't even smoke. What the hell's happening?
Nicoderm.
I love this.
It's definitely slowed down a lot. I'm wondering if I should refresh my page.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any more sponsorships. It's all
Warning.
5 minutes? I'm not seeing any ads.
I'm wondering if I should refresh too.
Where is the Tiffany & Co?
I got Kate Spade, New York.
Damn, Sinead, you getting good stuff.
But this is so random. These,
Where are they getting these recommendations from to send to me?
I don't know. I don't really feel like I'm associated with a lot of these. Here's
Hustle
Wish.
with.
We might have to wait 6 months, but it'll get here eventually.
Okay, this is the thing. So Facebook has been an epic fail right now for whatever reason. I think it's just because we don't often use Facebook,
Yeah.
so it doesn't know us well.
Yeah, this sucks to be pretty blunt, but you know what? It just shows us that maybe we need to spend more time on Facebook. So screw it, let's just go back to Instagram. I
Sounds
guess.
good to me. Relax, because we're gonna go back to Facebook and bring you guys another video when our Facebook decides to act right. Don't fret.
First one's Fat but Fun. That's not terrible.
That's not terrible. I'm not getting any sponsored ads. Tiffany & Co. Chanel. House of CB. Houses in Beverly Hills.
I'm not getting any ads, but I also have
Like
zero
put some
service.
good juju on it, This is funny because usually you don't want to see any ads when you're
I
scrolling,
know.
and then of course when we're trying to find them, they're hiding.
Fresh and Vibe. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Fresh and Vibe are little mini sneaker keychains.
That's so cute.
That's so cute.
What is your current laptop? Oh, it's a laptop customizer cover situation.
That's cute.
Yeah.
I mean, not that one.
I need to get some good karma going. Anybody have a crystal?
So Aaron did a redemption episode last time, so maybe you'll get to do your redemption episode
I hope
next
so,
time.
or I'm hoping this just comes through.
So I got this. I don't know what it is. Looks like
Ooh,
jewelry.
that's cute.
Oh, I got something from Romway, which is a site that we get in the comments all the time. So please do a Romway haul. Have you heard people?
No, I don't know what Romway
It's like
is.
kind of like Shein or like Wish of sorts, but it's for a phone case. It's really cute.
Oh, I like phone cases. I'm going to just put things in my search bar and see if that helps. Get one when I refreshed. Geez, 5 minutes on the clock, Sinead. Glossier? Hell yeah.
That's great. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Vibe season. Damn, look at
That. It's the necklaces again.
No, but like, look at it.
Ashley. It could be cool.
Dude, that's insane.
It could be cool.
I like everything about it except for the giant,
Who
like,
is that in there?
Buddha? I don't know.
Doesn't look like Buddha. Doesn't look like 2 Chainz.
Here's Ipsy. I already have an Ipsy subscription.
I'm getting no ads, and I'm frustrated about it.
No!
No!
I can't hear you!
I got another gym ad. Gymshark.
Gymshark's workout clothes.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, I just wanted one more. I got Curology. No!
10,
No!
9,
Let's go really fast.
8,
Do you hear something counting down?
7,
I know.
Fat Fit Fun again.
6, 5,
Can't see that fast.
3, 2, 1.
No!
Thumbs down.
Like literally the amount of butts that pop up on my Instagram. Well, shoot, you guys.
Yeah.
Sorry, this was a bust.
Well, we don't know yet. We haven't gotten the stuff yet.
You're right.
There is some hope. I guess this just proves you need a redemption episode, and I need another redemption episode.
Redemption round.
But we will be back to open what we did get, which hopefully won't be as disappointing as it seems in this very moment.
The key to this is failure. Maybe this is a blessing in disguise.
Oh, because to get a redemption?
Yeah. Do people really need shoes?
Yes.
Several days later.
All right, guys, so we're here today to unbox everything we ordered. And Drew is gonna go over all the things she ordered, and I'm gonna go over all the thing I ordered that arrived.
Singular?
Singular.
Sinead's really sad about it.
Yeah,
but
that took like so much energy and effort to sound happy because 5 seconds before the cameras turned on, I was basically in tears.
But I told her it's a good day because there's oxygen in her lungs and her butt's working.
Yeah, we'll have to do another episode.
Another one.
So we should probably just review the stuff that hasn't arrived yet, because there were some of your things too that didn't come.
Yeah. You want to start unboxing, Sinead?
Yeah, look at all your stuff.
I know. I feel really bad that your
You got
lot
like
of stuff
boxes
didn't come.
and boxes and boxes and boxes.
I'm actually surprised because honestly, going through Facebook, there were no ads. I was
Yeah,
shocked.
that was really bleak.
I got some shoes.
Oh, I love those.
Aren't these fun?
Yeah, they're so you too.
I could wear them to church.
They're like-
These look like a small 11. It's gonna make my foot look small. Should I try to put it on? I got these because I have this other, this top from Fashion Nova that looks like this. What the?
Look here.
What the?
But look
Look
how
at that.
cute.
They're cute, but they're
Oh yeah.
What? What? Why?
Oof, legs are really nice.
Wait, what?
Jeez, I could fry an egg on it.
You guys, this is a size 11, but this is clearly too small. I celebrated too early.
Damn, that sucks.
I was so excited about these.
It's okay.
I feel like the stepsisters in Cinderella. I knew when I looked at this, I was like, that doesn't look like an 11.
Yeah.
It is an 11 though.
Yeah.
That's so weird. Well, moving on to the next.
You still have lots of stuff.
I still have lots of stuff. Not gonna be too sad about it. Okay, Sinead. The other thing I got from Fashion Nova, so excited about. This little
Oh, I love that.
sleeky number.
Wow, this is very like Tina Turner.
Yes, that's why I got it.
Yeah, I love it.
How cute is this? Okay, so this dress was $60, which is, I mean, it's all chainmail, so I get it, you know?
It looks like expensive, actually. Like it actually looks really expensive. All of this is like 100%. There's no fabric whatsoever.
I know, which means it's gonna murder my nips.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this on for you guys, but it's gonna be at the end of the video, so make sure you keep watching.
Okay, here's my Facebook thing.
Sinead, I want you to be happy. Look how cute the bag is.
If you remember, the Kate Spade Cats collection came up. Like Facebook knows I'm such a cats connoisseur.
Oh my God, I was gonna say connoisseur, that's weird. That's cute though.
This is $98.
That's stupid.
You could put like 7 quarters in here.
This is $98?
$98.
I don't even think you could put $1 in here. Oh, hell no. Look at that. Look at that. Like, you could put some pennies in there.
Dude, this is a new toy for Harrison. As soon as I go home, he's like, I can't.
Maybe because, is it real leather? It has to be, because why is
Is
it
it?
$98?
I hope it's not real cat.
That would be dark. It's a real cat. It's cute though.
It is cute, but it is like shocking.
It's a $98. Mine costs more than that. It's a lot of money for this little thing. Okay, so I also got something from the Sorella boutique. I got this really cute little purple tracksuit. It's like so like Purple Rain, you know?
Yeah, it's so cute.
The top is 33 and the bottoms are 28. It's polar fleece. I know you love polar fleece. I'm sorry. You could borrow it if you want. Isn't this cute?
It's so cute. I love it. I actually really like this waistband. I feel like all sweatpants should have like a thick waistband like this.
Yeah, I love this. This is so loungy and cute with like some big oversized sunglasses. You know?
This is something we're both huge fans of.
You got the, is it the gummies? Oh, see, that's a good thing.
Yeah, so these are the gummies that Drew and I eat like candy.
Candy.
It's really ridiculous.
You shouldn't eat them like candy, but they're so good.
They're so good. Hum Nutrition is like a brand I worked with a while back, but I just fell in love with their stuff. They do like all the regular hair gummies, skin gummies. Their gummies are so delicious, and they're like, they have stuff for like clearing skin and probiotics, and I will say that their daily, I want to say it's called like Skin Boost or something like that. It's so good. And it's tough because everybody's doing this now, and like, you don't like them?
I don't like this flavor.
Are you serious? I love it.
Really? You want this one?
I forgot what I was even saying. So these are $25, and like,
Okay.
that's like really cheap. And they also have a collagen supplement that I love so much. It's like, the amount you get is unbelievable.
Basically, they're vitamins that taste like candy.
Healthy inside, radiant outside, hashtag start within.
Love
Yeah,
it.
love
That was a good, see? Be happy about that one. Okay, so the last Facebook thing I got is a picture frame from Wayfair, which I love. I love Wayfair.
Yeah.
All of their furniture is so freaking cute. You can get so much stuff there. ASMR.
Wow, that's really nice.
So I thought I ordered 3. I didn't order 3 because there is a place when you walk into my room, it's like a little like mini hallway.
Yeah.
And I wanted to put 3 all across, and this is gonna sound so, I didn't want to say this on camera because it's gonna sound so like me, but I wanted to put my favorite fan art on my wall.
Oh, that's
And
really
like
nice.
blow it up.
Yeah.
And there's 3 that I really liked, but now I'm gonna put 1. Because
Wow.
I forgot to order the other 2.
One person, only one, is gonna be that lucky recipient of a spot on Drew's wall. I'm sorry.
Maybe we could just go back and order 2 more.
Yeah.
At least I got 1 out of this.
Yeah. You have to pay for the other two, but you know.
It was $45.
That's expensive.
I know,
I'm
that's
sorry.
fine.
Like, you could actually get a silver frame just like this on Amazon for much cheaper.
I know. It's okay, but I like it.
It is really nice. It's a high quality frame.
It's a good frame.
All right, so after Facebook, like, we hit a dead end, we moved over to Instagram again. And that's where we started getting a lot of ads, but this is also where shipping failed me the most because I'm missing 4 things. So I only have 2 things to unbox, which is really sad, but there's one thing that was gonna end up being like a surprise for you because I doubled the order on purpose.
What was it?
I can't tell you. It's a
Why?
surprise.
No, I need you to tell me.
All right, so the first thing I got was a phone case. Romway is like one of those stores where everything is like $1. No, this actually was $3.45. So I got this phone case, and let's just put it on my phone. I don't have a case on my phone right now.
It's a mirror. That's so handy. That's dope.
Yeah, it's a little wonky. Your head's a little tall, right?
Oh, what? Why? It's like a fun mirror now.
I know. But I mean, it is gonna come in handy. Ooh, I got some shadow foliage.
And only $3. That's not bad. For a phone cases can get expensive, like 20 bucks.
No, I think it's really cute. And they have they had a whole bunch. Like Romway had a whole bunch of like really cool phone cases.
Sinead, I'm gonna have a surprise for you.
You do?
So I got this brow gel from Glossier that was $14, and I might have an extra one.
Aww.
So I've never used this before.
Neither have I.
I'm pretty sure it's tinted. I got brown. So it's like mascara for your eyebrows.
Their packaging though, like Glossier packaging is so legit.
The store is so cute.
I don't think I've ever been in there.
Oh my god, it's so cute, and the employees wear these pink jumpsuits.
Really?
I literally bought a pink jumpsuit just so I could look like the employees at Glossier.
Do you sometimes walk in there and try to freak them out?
No. I should do that though.
You should. Well, thank you for sharing. I feel a little bit better about my life. It's okay.
But oh, whoa, what was that? Did I do something? Did we just have some like? What the f-
So I got these posters from a poster store that Shelby will tell me now what it's called. Poster store. Oh my gosh, it is like from a poster store. I was really excited about these actually because I am like in a home decor obsession right now.
Yeah.
So like it's literally all I do. So we got these. They're just like these really nice prints, like and they do them in all different sizes and whatnot. Yeah, so I just got these 2 prints because we have like what's turning out to be like a gallery wall. And they're on like cardstock, which I really liked, and the reviews on their site was really good because they are like really nice prints. They're like done very well.
Yeah.
Both of these for both were $20. So essentially like, yes, you could go to like a FedEx or something and print them out yourself. But it's just way better when you get it from a store because you know that they're like, their specialty is printing, you know, like photo printing, and if like it's really good quality. It's really
good.
nice.
I was gonna say the paper is the best quality.
Yeah. They also sell frames too.
Okay, so the second thing I got from Instagram are these Gymshark sweatpants. They're $50, which I feel like is kind of a lot for sweatpants. At least I don't usually spend that much on sweatpants. But they're cute.
Oh, they're nice.
God, the elastic around is so big. It's a weird color. It's like a lavender gray.
I kind of like that actually. It's nice. It's a cozy color.
It's a good like lounging pant, you know?
Yeah.
Good job, Gymshark.
Good job.
I like you. Okay, so the last thing I got from Instagram was a Chic Geek MacBook. Oh my God, so cute. Case. It's so cute. I got a sparkly one.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Oh my God. Okay, so first, when I heard the price, it was $50. I was like, why? But now I'm seeing it and I'm like, worth it?
Let's see.
Ah! I've never gotten anything from Chic Geek.
I've never even heard of it.
You can put cases on everything. Oh my God, that's so freaking cute.
This is really cute.
Oh my God, I love it so much.
The style is unicorn crystal. It's gonna look really good on your MacBook.
But for $50, that's
$58.
$58, I would never spend that on this just randomly. Regardless, I really like it.
It's really cute.
The bottom's just black because you never see the bottom of a MacBook, but and they left the room for the little apple to shine through.
The apple still gets its moment.
Still gets its moment.
Moments later.
Okay, you guys, this is me in the Fashion Nova dress.
Oh, I love it. It's so cute.
So obsessed with this.
Oh, it's so cute. I love it.
All the, I honestly saw it on the model and I was like, ooh, she looks really good in it. I'm like, is it gonna look like that on me? It doesn't look exactly like it does on her, obviously, but like, I really love this dress.
I love it.
If you have any hair on your body, it will snag it. So don't go commando if you're not waxed. But also, it is very true to size because it's all chainmail.
Yeah.
Chainmail, am I saying it right?
Chainmail.
And there's no stretch at all. I had to be really careful putting it on.
Right.
So just read the size guide and read the reviews because it was like very true to size.
Nice.
I really like the slip on the side and
yes.
the back is my favorite part. Okay guys, those are all of our Facebook/Instagram ad collections, unboxing.
If by all you mean some.
Some.
And if by some you mean barely anything at all.
Which means there's a redemption round coming your way. You guys let us know what you like, what you didn't like. Also, the stuff that you did like in this video is all linked in the description below.
That's true.
So
even the
click
stuff you didn't like will also be available in the links
below. It will also
below.
be there in case you just want to like look at it.
Yes.
You guys, subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a notification when we post, and come on back.
Yes, and find out where all my stuff is and give it to me. Thanks.
It's rolling down the river.
Stop rubbing it in.
Yeah, that was fun. For even more fun, click right on over there for even more Clevver style.
And don't forget to subscribe, which is right underneath my neck that Drew is massaging very nicely.
Is right there. It's also right there. That's the one you should click. I'm gonna click the one right here.
And you know I'm so ticklish there.